Former Nairobi Governor Mike Sonko is set to spend the night at the Nairobi hospital following a court order by Chief Magistrate Diana Mochache at the Kahawa Law Courts after he was taken ill. He is still in custody. However, the court was set to give its ruling as to whether Sonko would be detained following authorities petitioning the court to detain him for 30 days on anti-terror charges pending investigations. But that decision will have to wait until he is treated, and the doctors advise otherwise. This comes as Sonko was earlier released by a Kiambu Law Court on a 300,000 shilling bond with surety of a similar amount.
It has been a long day for former Nairobi Governor Mike Sonko, as he was escorted from one court to another following his two set hearings, often appearing bold and confident, accompanied by an entourage and decked in flashy jewelry. The former legislator today appeared frail. He was escorted into the Kiambu Law Court by anti-terror police unit officers, plain-clothed officers and a nurse. Seated next to him in the dock, she monitored his blood levels, ensuring they were up to par, which, according to his lawyers, was one of the reasons he needed to visit a doctor. It is reported that Sonko had developed a stomach upset, among other ailments, the previous night and was rushed to the Nairobi hospital where he underwent medical examination. Despite his condition, just before noon, he was before Chief Magistrate Stella Atambo for his bail hearing. The former governor was released on a cash bond of 300,000 shillings on the account of assault and land fraud. As the court said, the prosecution lacked enough evidence to block him from getting a bail application. Sonko was then whisked to Kahawa Law Courts, where he was presented before Chief Magistrate Diana Mochache for anti-terror charges. She was to ascertain whether he would be detained for 30 days by authorities. Sonko is set to spend the night at the Nairobi hospital following a court order due to his deteriorating condition. Chief Magistrate Mochache informed his lawyers to present a comprehensive medical report from his doctors tomorrow at 10 a.m. The custodial application by the prosecution to detain him for 30 days over his link to terrorism will be heard when he is discharged from the hospital. Helen Aura, NTV.